Thank you for tuning in to Creating Creations. And today we're going to sublimate business cards. Okay, so I've been wanting to do this for a while. I went into my Canva, which is here. I'm not going to take y'all through the whole, you design it how you want to. You will, let's go out. You could go up here and create designs. And they have business cards. Bam. So, you just pick out a design you like. Here is the front. And there is the back. Okay? So now we're going to go over to the one that I have created. This was one I was thinking about. I might do that one at a later date. That's really pretty. So this is the one that I created. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to hit, download. Okay. You want to unselect, and you want to select the ones that you want to download now. How I was able, I don't know how everybody else does theirs, but I downloaded the front by one, and then I downloaded the back. Because when I took it over here to where I was going to print it out, for some reason it was acting crazy. I don't know, but I did this one by one. I downloaded them and then I put them on the page one by one. So here they are. So that's how you want to do whatever program that you're designing in, you're uploading. That's what you want to do. This is how I did mine. And I just wanted to bring y'all in and show you my setup and where I designed mine, which was in Canva. Okay? So now what we're going to do, we're going to print this out, which I have already did. And I'm going to take you over to my heat press and press these out. So I'll see you over there.